Hello and welcome to Safety Sign. In this demonstration I am just going to show you how easy it is to use the site induction form for new starters on site. In the app's dashboard you can toggle between the two pages of form choices. In the general form select the site induction. In the first section use the drop-down selection for the associated project, the site name and address, the date of induction and time. These are auto-selected. And finally the name of the inductee. Next we move on to the general section. These are for basic requirements on site to ensure the inductee has been provided with the basic site information. Note there is a selection for NA if it is not required. Section 2.0 refers to work site policies. Again, please use the NA if it is not required for your site. The workplace processes refer back to standard reporting set up on site. For example, the reporting of incidents, disposal arrangements for hazardous goods on site, and provision for manual handling. The next two sections relate to PPE, ensuring that the inductee is fully aware of the site requirements, and notifying they have been issued the relevant PPE, if applicable. The JSEA box allows the inductee to add any job safety notes, or policies provided that are not detailed in the induction. An inductee agreement has been written in accordance with typical site requirements relating to standard rules around operations on construction sites. Finally we get to the sign-off section. The section is in two parts. The person conducting the induction, who can sign off to say that the inductee has completed the site requirements, and the inductee, who can sign to say that they understand the requirements on site. The input boxes are for name, position, date, and signature. Once this is completed by both parties, it can then be submitted into the app's library. Once submitted, the app will automatically take the user back to the home page, where the form can be seen in recent activities. The user can then simply just go into the app library to edit, to change the status of the form, edit the details, download the form in PDF, or delete. Thank you for watching the demonstration. Please get in touch if you are interested in more details, or visit our website at www.safetysignapp.com.au.